How to get a loan of up to AED 10,000 using your Emirates ID in the UAE. 1. Download a trusted loan app like Boating Money, Live by Emirates, NBD, Mashreq Neo, Ragbang Quick Loan, or Yap app. 2. Sign up with your Emirates ID. Scan the front and back, or log in using UAE Pass for instant verification. 3. Enter your basic details name, income range, and mobile number. No salary slip needed for small loans. 4. Apply for your loan, choose the amount up to AED 10,000 and your repayment term 2 to 12 months. 5. Wait for approval. Most apps approve instantly if your credit score is good. 6. Receive funds. The money is transferred directly to your linked bank account or digital wallet. 7. Repay on time to keep your credit score healthy and qualify for higher limits later.